Here's how I made what turned out to be a delicious peanut butter and jelly inspired cake for my husband's birthday. I love baking cakes and I wasn't sure I could pull this off, but it turned out great. Start with 1 box of yellow cake mix. Now add 1/3 cup of oil, 1 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of peanut butter, plus 3 eggs to that cake mix. Mix it on low for 30 seconds and then on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Grease your cake pans, pour the batter in, and bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Let your cakes cool completely before frosting. Add a little frosting to the bottom of the cake plate so your cake doesn't slide around. Cut the dome part off of your first layer so that you have a flat surface to work with. Now let's add the filling between these 2 layers. Start by covering that first layer of cake with a thick layer of chocolate frosting, and then on top of that, add a layer of jelly preserves. You may not want to go all the way to the edge with the jelly so that it doesn't spill out the side. Now add the top layer to your cake and cover the entire top and side of your cake with chocolate frosting, smoothing it out the best you can. Add some decorative flair with the frosting if that's your thing, or it's even a beautiful cake just plain. Add some chopped nuts on top for some extra crunch and flair. This will be the best peanut butter and jelly you've ever had. Like I always do, here's a recipe card you can take a screenshot of. Go ahead. Hey, if you're still watching, let's be friends. Hit like and subscribe, and let's join each other on more sweet baking adventures.